Hi everyone, my name is Artie, and I'm a student in the Motorcycle Engineering Department at SMKN1 Gulagak. Let me show you our amazing workshops, where we practice and learn real motorcycle service skills. This is our engine workshop. Here, we learn how to inspect, maintain, and repair motorcycle engines. We often work with components such as pistons, valves, cylinder heads, and camshafts. We also learn how to troubleshoot engine problems and follow standard service procedures. It's one of my favorite places because I enjoy working with machines. Next is the electrical workshop. In this room, we practice diagnosing and repairing electrical systems, such as lighting, ignition, and charging systems. We use tools like multimeters and test lights to check wiring harnesses and batteries. It really helps us understand how electricity flows in a motorcycle. This is our general workshop. We use this space for PKK, or creative product and entrepreneurship lessons, and also for welding practice. We learn how to create small motorcycle parts, and do basic welding for frames and accessories. It's where we build creativity and technical skills together. And this is the IHAS Partner Workshop. It's a real service workshop in collaboration with Honda. As part of the Teaching Factory, TIFA, program, we get to experience working like real technicians. We serve real customers, follow SOPs, and use genuine Honda spare parts. It feels like working in the real world. All of these workshops help me and my friends become ready for the motorcycle service industry. I'm proud to be a student at SMKN1 Gulagak. Thank you for watching.